Since 1963, ATAS International has been a leading manufacturer of metal wall and roof systems. In this video, we will cover basic installation details pertaining to our wind-lok series of profiles being applied over a solid substrate in a horizontal application. ATAS's unique snap J-trim allows for an easier installation than conventional J-channels around windows and doors. It allows for a better installation of panels, especially in areas where a short panel is needed. A snap J is used below the window to hide fasteners required to hold panel in place. The support Z may also be required based on where the rib of the panel is in relation to the window sill. A two-piece J-channel is used on both sides of the window along with the sill condition below the window. This is used on windows that sit above the solid substrate surface. Window conditions should be flashed in accordance with the WRB manufacturer. We begin by measuring and marking key spots below the window where the snap base trim will be applied. A mark is made on the trim so that the trim exceeds the window width by 6 inches. The trim will be wider than the window by 3 inches on each side. Cut the snap base trim to the proper length. The snap base trim is then notched for proper installation. Remove 3 inches from the lock on the snap base trim, leaving only the screw flange. Cut the snap cover to the exact length of the remaining lock on the snap base trim for the window sill area. The snap base trim is then fastened below the window. The same method of measuring and cutting is used alongside the windows for the jamb details, except the cover for the jambs should not be cut at this point. After they have been properly prepared, the snap base trims should be installed along the sides of the window. Please note the snap base trim along the sides of the window should lap over the snap base trim below the window. Window conditions should be flashed in accordance with the WRB manufacturer. If a panel ends on a high rib under the window, a support Z should be installed behind the panel and the panel should be riveted 12 inches on center to the support Z. A very high bond VHB tape can also be used in this area between the panel and support Z for windows that are less than 6 feet wide. Please follow all manufacturer's directions for proper adhesion and performance. If the panel ends on a low rib, the panel can be fastened to the substrate directly if the cover hides the fastener. Trim should be fastened 2 foot on center with proper fasteners. For more installation details, please visit www.atas.com.